I've just completed a recent research project, and the project looked at social value in residential design. I worked with an architectural practice based in London for a couple of years, where we did a lot of community engagement with the residents within a particular residential development area. And we wanted to understand how buildings and how homes actually impact the health, the well-being, and the happiness of the residents. So we were looking at design of spaces, different types of spaces, and with a view, the architectural practice wants to kind of take into account the impact of space on the residents' well-being. And so we were looking at, for example, an orientation of a balcony. How would that impact the sense of privacy, the sense of safety, for example, but also the sense of happiness, because does a balcony overlook a garden, for example, or a green space? So these were the sorts of issues that we were looking at. So it's all to do with social value in residential design.